Alrighty, so what are we doing?
Taking off my, what are we doing in general, or what are we doing?
Yeah, what are we doing?
Chase Bays Hydro.
On the
Right.
is300.
Yeah, my 2001 Lexus is300. So we got the Willwood, 2-piston calipers. We got.
Is this for your car? Like, is that plate for your car? Is that universal?
That's specifically for an IS. Yeah, these are. I can't remember. I'll have to look up the brand of the plates. But they're HQ.
Yeah, that's sick. I want one of them. The Black Friday, that's cool.
And then I got 2 different plates.
For mounting.
Whatever one fits the best on how I want to put it, I guess, is the one we're gonna go with. I got the hardware. I got the handbrake. This is the reverse mount.
Oh, crazy. So your fucking cylinder is going to be inside of your...
Where?
Okay.
And then I got... This is the bolt for them. And I got... This is all the hosing and stuff that I gotta use. Or this is the Chase Bays kit.
Does it go the whole way back to your wheels?
Yeah, it should. Hopefully. They send you this cute little card. It says thank you. To Jay-Z.
Dude. What do you mean cute? That's fucking dope.
Roasted cute little card.
That's actually dope as hell.
I guess we're gonna figure out how these brackets fit first.
What bracket's this?
This is the R for right.
I meant,
So,
oh,
right-
okay. I got you. That thing's dope.
But it should mount on there. I guess probably somewhat like that. That's how it's gonna mount, I guess. And the bolts will run through.
Okay, that makes
I
sense.
gotta see. I don't know if this kit will let me keep my stock e-brake or not.
Well, this thing needs to fucking work with me here. Stock e-brake. Oh, that's not... No.
I don't know if it's gonna let me keep it or if I have to get rid of it for mounting. So I guess we're gonna figure that out.
Why would you keep your stock e-brake? That sounds crazy. That sounds crazy.
I gotta pull off my caliper and rotor to get the duct shield to pull it off.
Caliper. Shitty ass angle. So the caliper and rotor come off first and then actually go to the dust shield.
I think I have to get access to pull it off. I have to pull off the caliper and the rotor.
No, yeah, I know.
Alright, so pop these little springies off. Maybe. Somehow. Okay, this spring pops off. This spring pops off. And then these guys, they kind of... There's like these little pad clip things down here too together. Slide them out of. I don't intend on keeping the stock handbrake. Just gonna run the hydro.
Yeah, fuck the stock handbrake.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of these.
I'm not a fan of what that looks like.
It looks scary, dude. I don't know. I'm not an old timer. I don't fuck with fucking drum brakes. What's crazy is dudes be making like 800 horsepower on a Honda Civic with stock rear drum brakes that's never been changed for like 200,000 miles on the chassis. You're just cooking down the road.
Ethan likes calling people out. I don't I don't have rear discs on my Civic.
Doobie. Oh, no. Dude, that's scary. How you gonna go fucking $160 down the road and not be able to stop?
I'll throw it in first gear.
Dude, I only need front brakes.
I'll throw it in first gear. I'll put it in reverse going 120.
You're gonna have your $3,000 transmission. You're just gonna throw it in first gear, dude.
If I got to save my car, that's what we gotta do.
You're gonna save your life or your car. I don't know about saving your car. Your transmission's gonna be fucked.
The chassis will be fine though.
Maybe.
You can always buy a new trans.
We're getting headway now. Okay, that guy don't really need him anymore. And these little guys, we're just gonna cut them off. Don't need them either. This whole plate, everything, it's just gonna get cut off. We don't need none of that. This car only has 250,000 miles on the fucking chassis.
This is what keeps me and Ethan warm right now.
It's a cold winter day in Pennsylvania.
It's only 35 degrees out. It's not even cold.
30?
It's not even cold.
It ain't that bad, I guess. It's been colder. We've been stranded on the side of the road in colder temperatures.
Yeah.
So once you get all these bolts and whatnot out and this pulled out, it's gonna give it a couple smacks with the hammer and she'll come loose. So it's just gonna be hanging on there, but you're not gonna be able to pull it off because of your hub and wheel bearing and whatnot. But so just gotta do the old-fashioned way and pull out old reliable and just give her a couple cuts and widen her up and then fucking rip her off. So we'll just cut to that.
Easy money. Yep.
Safety first, Bob.
Now we made headway though. We got all that off.
I'm gonna have to climb up under there.
Now it's just time to put on the bracket.
Yeah, so this is where we're at. It's a little dirty under here, you know.
So the thing that sucks is though, you have to put the bracket on and the rotor
yeah, I gotta
at the exact same time somehow.
I gotta go get that.
It's a finagle job and a half.
You mount your caliper to your bracket, and then it kind of mounts on there like that. But you have to put the rotor on first, slide this over, and leave this bolt like halfway out, or else you're not going to be able to put the bolt through with the rotor already on there, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so goes, leave that in there hanging out, then you throw the rotor on. What the hell was that? Okay. Alright. So then this guy gets put on back here. Slide it over top of your rotor. Slides down over, and then your bolt's kinda here. Then you kinda gotta like finger fuck it in there. If that makes sense. Okay, there it is. Okay, it's through. Okay. So the bolt's through. Now I gotta get this guy. And you gotta throw this guy. Kinda gotta hold it so you can screw it on. Now it's halfway down. Okay. Okay, now that's on there. It's like that. And then it slides there. And then what happens is your other caliper, your main rear caliper, the other hole for this bracket is used for the caliper bolt. You're gonna use, they give you a extended one that runs through the caliper and goes through there. But yeah, that's how that's gonna work. Okay. So then, here's what we'll do. Cut that off there.
Okay, so that clamps that mold together as
And
one.
you're gonna use your stock
Ear for the bottom.
yeah, stock here, you're gonna go into the wall.
Push the caliper in. Yeah, that one likes to be a little junky, depending on how to use the ratchet for that one. And then there she is all buttoned up. Just gotta
Yeah, tighten everything down. And that's just kind of there, you know, hanging out. It's on there. Now I just gotta run. I gotta get rid of this and run the lines from the hydro back, which is the chase. I got the chase base kit, so it should be pretty straightforward and just put it all together. Gotta figure out where I want to run it.
I'm gonna probably use my car for a reference because I have a hydro in my car already.
Yeah, some people aren't blessed.
Ethan's a hater.
I'm not a hater. I just so my car didn't come with hydro. Unfortunately.
He's a hater because I have a Beamer.
Beamer boys.
That PMC kit does look nice though, man. I can't lie. I like the little logo they got going on there.
It's pretty tight, huh?
Yeah, I just ring that sucker tight.
So this is the stage of us trying to figure out where we're gonna mount the handbrake at. So this just pops out and unplugs, and your shift new comes out, and then there's two bolts that hold in the back in here that comes out.
Wait, where's the bolt at to hold it? Where are they at?
They're in here in this musty junk in these little holes. There's two of them in the center console.
All right.
And then this whole thing just kind of pushes back and slides out like that. And then we can just set this inside. And then this kind of gives us all this room to work. And most of these, I don't know if people know this, but they all come with this little soy sauce holder in the back here.
Soy sauce holder?
Yeah, see it? Comes with its own complimentary soy sauce.
See, I didn't know that. That's pretty tough. See, they should have told you that whenever you bought the car.
Dude,
that was a selling point.
More money for it, honestly.
Yeah, that's a selling point for sure. How do you think we're gonna do this?
So this whole thing's just gonna get
Deleted, cuz. Yep.
And then I'll have to pull the plate out. Yeah.
Mock it up a few times and
Mock
then.
up the plate, figure out where we want to mount it. I did not do the manual swap on this car, so I don't know what all this tomfoolery is.
Yeah, I was kind of wondering what this is. I think this is some heat shield from the PO. I don't know if is this aluminum foil or is it actually heat tape?
Nah, I think it's just tape. It's
Yeah.
tape. It's some type
Aluminum
of
tape.
Stuff. I don't know. It was a manual swap car, so I don't know.
Well,
Figure it out.
So what? E-brake deleted right now?
Yeah, we're gonna delete the e-brake. I gotta do the e-brake cables, get all that out of the way, mount it up, and then pick back up there where we get it figured out.
Boom. Alright, so right now we got everybody putting out the handbrake. Yeah. Outside. Fucking, here's Gage and Ethan. Smacking her right in there. Look at that.
Here's the other side.
Get the fucking two nuts and washers. Where they at?
Nice little. Dude, this is just powerful.
So now
all we need to do is simply go and put the brake lines in and just bleed it and fuck. So basically what we had to do with this is we had to tear out all the fucking, there was the airbag control module, his fucking head unit, everything had to come out right now. You're gonna have to cut a lot of this plastic out. Your head unit is basically gonna be the only thing able to go back in this way. But we are looking to be able to have his full trim, I mean center console and everything in here. But right now, this is how we kind of have the bolts set up. 2 are kind of up on the riser, and then we have 1 down below, and you're gonna need like a spacer. We're just gonna use this bolt. Works perfect. Not, yeah. All right, handbrake's in. This was a bitch. It was actually a headache and a half, but it's in. And it's fucking awesome clearance. Awesome clearance. I mean, I'm talking perfect. Now what we did was we just put rib nuts into the car and then bolted them down on. You're gonna need a spacer for back here in this area because the up here is a little raised off the chassis. So Ethan's back here messing with his harness bar. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm trying to find out how it's bolt.
But here's where we have the lines run. We have it back to a T right here. And then back behind there to here. And then there's actually a grommet that we used so that it was kind of clean. There's no holes to be drilled or anything. Everything's accessible, so in case we have any leaks or anything, we can fix it real quick. But so yeah, that's how it works for us. We ran it underneath the console there and just tugged it down. I mean, drift flow don't have to be perfect, but and we're gonna have a video. We're gonna have another clip here when we're done, but kind of had to drill that out so you actually have leverage to pull it, but it looks kind of clean whenever it's all buttoned up. So we'll get back to you here in a second.